To draw up a scatter graph in XL2007, you need to use the Insert menu. So select some data. The x-axis data has to be in the column on the left. Y-axis data needs to be in a column which is adjacent to that, to the right. So I'm going to select a small amount of data. I will expand it later. So there is a small amount of data selected. I'm going to choose Scatter and the type of scatter graph that I want. And there is my scatter graph drawn up. You can see it has a title in it, but no x-axis or y-axis labels. So I need to add x-axis and y-axis labels. The way you select the x-axis and y-axis labels is to click on the chart and go to Design, Chart Layout, and select a design which has the format that you want. So this has y-axis label, x-axis label, legend. This one here has y-axis labels, x-axis labels, legend, plus a chart title. This is the one I want. And there you go. And then you can, by triple clicking on these labels, you can type in. You can see that I've only got the activity for a few minutes. I'll just slide this graph over a little bit. I've only got it for one replicate. But this blue box here, just in the same way that we did it when we were drawing histograms, you can actually change the boundaries of the data. So by putting the cursor over the blue box and clicking and dragging, you can choose different columns of data. And you can see these are labelled up with the column label. And you can also pick up the blue box at the bottom and then click and drag it down to the end of the data. It is useful to be able to resize the X and Y axis. To resize, click with the left mouse button on the thing you want to change and then right mouse click Format Axis. And the minimum, can you see that the values, the minimum values are bigger than 0.4? So there's no data in this range from 0 to 0.4. So we can make the bottom of our scale 0.4 and then OK. And there is my graph.